Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Philo subscription step by step clearly. Open the Philo website or the Philo app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet so the account page can load correctly. Tap or click sign in if you are not already logged in. Enter the email and password linked to your Philo account. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option and reset it first. After signing in, go to your account menu or profile icon. Select Account or My Account from the menu options. Look for a section called Subscription, Billing, or Plan. Open the subscription or billing page to see your current plan details. Check whether your subscription is billed through Philo directly or through a third party. If it says Billed by Philo, continue in the same screen to manage cancellation. If it says Billed through Apple, Google, Roku, Amazon, or another provider, note that you must cancel there. For direct Philo billing, find the option that says Cancel Subscription or Cancel Plan. Click or tap Cancel Subscription to start the cancellation process. Read the information about what happens after cancellation, including access until the end of the billing period. When asked, choose a reason for canceling if Philo requires it. Confirm your choice by selecting Continue or Next. Look for the final confirmation button, such as Confirm Cancellation or Yes. Cancel. Press the final confirmation button to complete the cancellation request. Wait for the confirmation message on the screen that says your subscription is canceled. Check your email inbox for a cancellation confirmation email from Philo. If you do not see the email, check your spam or promotions folders. If you subscribed via Apple, open iPhone settings. Tap your name. Tap Subscriptions. Then choose Philo and cancel. If you subscribed via Google, open Google Play. Tap your profile. Tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then Subscriptions. Then cancel Philo. If you subscribed via Roku, go to My Roku.com. Sign in. Open Manage your subscriptions. Then cancel Philo. If you subscribed via Amazon, go to your memberships and subscriptions on Amazon. Find Philo. Then turn off Auto-Renew or Cancel. After canceling, avoid restarting the subscription by not clicking any resubscribe prompts in the app. If you are still charged after canceling, contact Philo support and provide your confirmation email or billing details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.